Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check out the special offers on the Virgin Australia application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that you should tap on the specials button down below, which is the fourth option. And here you can see the recommendations, but you can also narrow down your search by tapping on the filter button in the upper right corner of the screen, and you can sort results by price, ascending, descending, then the date, origin, organized into alphabetical order. Then you can filter it by sale, filter by cabin class, by origin country, and you can select the price range on this slide down below. And when you are done, click on the refine results button down below and you will be able to find the available special offers according to your set preferences. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.